Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, today we will start our lesson number 4, water. But before that, first we will understand its new words and see the animation. So let's start. Number 1, plenty. Plenty. Plenty means as much or as many of something as you need. Plenty का मतलब होता है भरपूर, खूब सारा. Next, essential. ESSENTIAL. Essential means completely necessary, that you must have or do. Essential का मतलब होता है ज़रूरी. Next, various. VARIOUS. Various means several, different. Various का मतलब होता है विभिन्न यानी अलग अलग. नेक्स्ट, sources. SOURCES. Sources means a place, person or thing where something comes or start from or where something is obtained. Sources का मतलब होता है स्रोत, स्थान, व्यक्ति या वस्तु, किसी का उद्गम यानी उत्पन्न होना. नेक्स्ट, collect. COLLECT. Collect means to bring a number of things together. Collect का मतलब होता है अलग अलग चीज़ों को इकट्ठा करना. Next, ocean. OCEAN. Ocean means the mass of salt water that covers most of the surface of the earth. Ocean का मतलब होता है महासागर. Next, irrigation. 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 Irrigation means irrigation helps to grow agriculture crop. Irrigation का मतलब होता है सिंचाई. Next, contains. CONTAINS. Contains means to have something inside or as part of itself. कंटेन का मतलब होता है अपने अंदर कुछ होना या समावेश करना. नेक्स्ट, क्वालिटी. QUALITY. क्वालिटी मीन्स हाउ गुड और बैड समथिंग इज. क्वालिटी का मतलब होता है किसी वस्तु की गुणवत्ता बताना. नेक्स्ट, कैनल. CANAL. Canal means water can flow to an area where it is needed. कैनल का मतलब होता है सिंचाई के लिए बनाई गई नहर. नेक्स्ट, built. BUILT. Built means having a body with the shape and size mentioned. Built का मतलब होता है किसी विशेष आकार और आकृति से ढला हुआ. नेक्स्ट, प्रोड्यूस. PRODUCE. प्रोड्यूस मीन्स टू मेक समथिंग टू बी सोल्ड, एस्पेशली इन लार्ज क्वांटिटीज. प्रोड्यूस का मतलब होता है किसी वस्तु का उत्पादन करना या बनाना. नेक्स्ट, गार्बेज. GARBAGE. गार्बेज मीन्स रबिश और वेस्ट. गार्बेज का मतलब होता है कूड़ा करकट यानी कचरा. नेक्स्ट, यूटेंसिल. UTENSIL. यूटेंसिल मीन्स a type of tool that is used in the home. यूटेंशियल का मतलब होता है घर में इस्तेमाल के बर्तन. नेक्स्ट, pollute. POLLUTE. Pollute means to make air, rivers etc. dirty and dangerous. Pollute का मतलब होता है प्रदूषित करना. नेक्स्ट, टाइट. T-I-G-H-T. Tight means fixed firmly in position and difficult to move or remove. टाइट का मतलब होता है किसी स्थान पर कसकर बांधा हुआ. नेक्स्ट, ड्रिप. D-R-I-P. ड्रिप मीन्स टू फॉल इन स्मॉल ड्रॉप्स. ड्रिप का मतलब होता है बूंद बूंद टपकना. नेक्स्ट, फ्लोर. F-L-O-O-R. Floor means the flat surface that you walk on indoors. फ्लोर का मतलब होता है फर्श. नेक्स्ट, बालकनी. B-A-L-C-O-N-Y. Balcony means a platform built on an upstairs outside wall of a building. बालकनी का मतलब होता है घर की दीवार के बाहर ऊपरी मंजिल पर चारों ओर दीवारों से घिरा हुआ. नेक्स्ट, अवॉइड. अवॉइड मीन्स टू कीप अवे फ्रॉम somebody something. अवॉइड का मतलब होता है से बचना. नाउ लेट्स रिवाइज. प्लेंटी, एसेंशियल, वेरियस, sources, collect, ocean, irrigation, contains, quality, canal, build, produce, garbage, utensils, pollute, tight, drip, floor, balcony, avoid. Now students, you have to write all these new words in your notebook.
Living things need water to live. We need plenty of clean water to drink daily, without which we cannot live. Water is needed for various other essential things daily, such as bathing, cleaning, washing, and cooking. Plants also need water. Drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing, cooking, watering the plants. Sources of water. Life is possible on the earth because of availability of water. We get water from various sources. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Rainwater is collected in various water bodies such as ponds, rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. Some rainwater also goes through the soil and gets collected below the ground. This groundwater is taken out by digging wells using hand pumps and tube wells. Underground water is mainly used for irrigation as it contains minerals in high quantity. Dams and canals are built to use river water and to produce hydroelectricity. More to know. Largest water body on the earth is ocean. Water taken from various sources is treated for cleaning from germs, and this clean and pure water is sent to the house for use. Water received in the houses through taps is further cleaned for drinking by using various water purifying devices. Human activities polluting water. Water is made dirty by various human activities such as throwing garbage into water, bathing, and letting animals enter water bodies. Mixing dirty water from houses and factories and washing clothes and utensils near water bodies makes it dirty and polluted. Human activities wasting water. We use water very carelessly. We waste it while doing various activities at home. Waste to save water. We should close the tap tight and do not let water drip. We should use a bucket and a mug to wash the car. We should not use a hosepipe. We should keep some utensils to collect water while washing fruit and vegetables. This water can be used to water the plants. We should not leave the tap open while brushing our teeth. We should store water whenever it rains. It can be used to water the plants. We should water the plants by using a watering can instead of a pipe. Dirty water left after washing clothes can be used to clean the floors or to flush the toilets. Avoid washing the balcony regularly. Now I know. All living things need water to live. We need water for drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing, cooking, and watering the plants. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Sources of water are rain, rivers, lakes, seas, ponds, wells, hand pumps, and tube wells. Water is also used to produce hydroelectricity. We should not make water dirty or waste it. We should always save water.